Now, I make speaker boxes, but sometimes I get a little bit bored about doing these types of things. And, well, a lot of the customers who are buying these beautiful AM machines, well, they're making furniture. And I started wondering, can I make furniture? I have no idea. But I went around and asked, is there anything that I can make? And it turns out there is indeed something that we can make, and it needs to fit into this space. Now, there's a couple challenges. One, I have no idea on how to design a table, but the Ambitious Academy guys upstairs, on the other hand, they are putting together a really fantastic course. So I figured rather than do everything myself, let me go and share some of the skill set that they already have and are going to be able to teach you on how to do things like design a table. So let's learn how to make a table and see if we can actually get one to fit in this space. All right, so let's talk about cutting. Right now we are running into this design with a single flute straight cut bit. We are running at a relatively constant speed. We are doing this in 4 passes at 6 mils basically per pass. And our operation speed is sitting at about 5.6 meters per minute. Now this is relatively easy for such a big router, but the main thing is we got our material cut out. Now the next big question is, can we actually put this design together? The answer is, well, it's slotting together like an absolute masterpiece. You will see that we've left a little bit of tolerance. This is very, very important when we are going through this process. We want to make sure that if we're going to paint and do things like varnish, that it will still fit together. So right now the AM team is going to check the process, of which it is pretty much slotting together like a puzzle piece. So yes, we can design a table, and we can make one that fits, which is a great start. Now we know it all comes together. Let's do a little bit of sanding and a little bit of sealing, and that's pretty much us done. Can we make some furniture? The answer is yes. In fact, we have made something far more advanced than what we should have for beginners, and it looks roaringly fantastic. I'll be absolutely honest. I'm even thinking about maybe changing careers or businesses because, well, the AM ATC router made such quick work of this. In reality, we could make 15 of these tables a day, and I'll be honest with you, the results kind of speak for themselves. The absolute precision that we've cut things, everything slots in together. This is easy. I can't believe how simplified this whole process is. So if you're into making furniture or want to get into making furniture, come through and come and see us, come and have a look at the ATC machine, because this was not a challenge for me, so I doubt it would be a challenge for you.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za, achievement matters.